Chickpeas, anyone? These little gems, high quality protein, rivaling. Now, let's turn to hemp seeds. When you hear protein, eggs might be the first thing that comes to mind. But what if we told you there are vegetable proteins that can easily outperform them? Today, we're embarking on a journey through the plant-based protein world. Get ready to discover 7 vegetable proteins that are potentially more powerful than egg. First up, we have the versatile and powerful soy protein. A true titan of the plant-based world, soy is packed with high-quality protein, rivaling that of many animal-based sources. Its versatility in the kitchen is unparalleled, whether you're whipping up a tofu scramble or sipping on a soy shake. Soy doesn't just stop at protein. It also supports muscle growth and overall health with its rich array of essential amino acids. A protein powerhouse, soy makes a compelling case for ditching eggs. Next, let's dive into the world of lentils. A virtual powerhouse, lentils are brimming with protein and a spectrum of vitamins and minerals. They're a vegan's dream, offering a balanced nutritional profile. Lentils, a small but mighty source of protein. Chickpeas, anyone? These little gems are a powerhouse of protein, packing in about 15 grams per cup. But that's not all. They're also rich in fiber, promoting a healthy digestion. So next time you're in need of a protein pick-me-up, remember, a delicious protein source, chickpeas pack a punch. Let's not forget about quinoa. This superfood is a true champion in the plant-based world, boasting the status of a complete protein. Its versatility in cooking is unparalleled. From salads to casseroles, it's a game changer. Quinoa, a complete protein and a versatile addition to any kitchen. Green peas, a surprising source of protein. Packed with 8 grams of protein per cup, these tiny powerhouses are also brimming with fiber, vitamin A and iron. They're a nutritious addition to any meal, providing a substantial protein punch. Green peas, a surprising but potent source of protein. Finally, we have almonds and hemp seeds. Bursting with protein, these tiny powerhouses are more than just a snack. Almonds, rich in heart-healthy fats and fiber, are known to support cardiovascular health and aid digestion. Now, let's turn to hemp seeds, a complete protein that provides all 9 essential amino acids. But that's not all. They're also packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. Almonds and hemp seeds, small but powerful sources of protein. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the vibrant world of vegetable proteins, from the power-packed soy and the magical lentils to the strong chickpeas, versatile quinoa, beneficial green peas, and the mighty almonds and hemp seeds. Each of these offers unique benefits, and not to mention, they can potentially surpass eggs in their protein content. So, next time you think protein, think beyond eggs. Think vegetable proteins.